Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, wig reviews, head shaved updates, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a full face of makeup products using only samples. It's a really big box, as you can tell. I've been collecting the 100 point perks from Sephora, also free samples from Sephora and Shoppers as well for a while now. So when I went through all the products, I was like, wow, I actually have all products for a full face of makeup. And I said, what a fun video to do. Now to bring some moisture into my face, this is another 100 point perk. And when I see this pop up on Sephora's site, I always try to go in and get it, even though I'm on a no buy right now. So I refuse. I try to hold myself from not looking at the beauty rewards, because then if it's something there, especially this product that I'm going to show you next, I know I'm going to make myself go buy something, and I really don't want to. And this is the Tatcha, the water cream, and this is the refining and anti-aging pore perfecting Japanese wild rose. So when I seen this on Sephora's site, I was like, yes, 100 points, because this full-size product is very expensive. And here you're getting a total of 0.17 fluid ounces. And they also say that this is the anti-aging water splash moisturizer, transforming to release a burst of skin improving nutrients and refreshing hydration for clean, refined skin that is perfectly prepped for makeup. I don't know why I had to read it like that, but I felt like I had to read it right, like happy, I guess you would say. So here it is right here, and I just love the little packaging, really nice packaging as well. So when I seen this on the 100 point perk, I was like, yes, let's get it. I love the smell of it, very pretty, and I'm just going to apply this to my face. I absolutely love how this is making my skin feel. My skin feels like silk, and I could really see why people rave about this. Next product that I'm going to be using was also another 100 point perk. I think everything here that I'm going to be showing you today was like a free sample that I got in a goodie bag from Sephora or a 100 point perk. And this one here was a free one that they had at the counter, and it's Benefit Ka-Brow. So I was like, okay, yes, awesome. So you are getting a total of 2 shades in this little package here. You're getting shade 1 and shade 2. I think I'm gonna go in with shade number 2 maybe. And of course they have the little brush, which I thought was really cute as well. And as you could tell, there's like a lot of product left, and I only used a little bit with the brush. So this is going to be lasting me quite some time. So next I'm going to go in with primer and foundation, and this here is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this here comes with a variety of foundations. Here you have the primer, and then here you have foundations. So I will be testing out the primer and this shade right here, which is 150, which right now in the samples is the lightest. Hopefully it'll be enough to cover my whole entire face. If not, I have another foundation there by Makeup Forever, but I'm going to test out the primer first and then the foundation. So here is the primer right here, and I'm just going to take a small amount and I'm just going to apply it to my face. It has a really nice smell to it. This feels really nice and soft to the skin as well. The primer, it's not like a silicone based primer, it's like almost like a moisturizing primer. Really, really nice. My skin feels really super smooth, and I love the fragrance of it. Now here we go. Here is the foundation, and that's in the shade 150. I really hope that it's I don't know how it's going to match my skin, but we shall see. So there we go, the primer and the foundation's all applied, and surprisingly, like, it really went on really nice. It's a really nice and light feel to the skin, and I was really surprised because honestly I thought I was going to have to use another foundation to actually get a full face foundation out of a sample size, but I really like it. And actually the color, as you could tell, matched me really, really well. Like, I don't have to blend this down my neck, which is nice. I'm really impressed with that. It's really, really pretty. Have you guys tried the Fenty Beauty foundation? Let me know your thoughts of it, what you think of it in the comments down below. And next up is concealer. So this concealer I had a long time ago, like when it was their older kind of formula, I guess you would say. And I was kind of on the fence, to be quite honest. I really didn't like it. I just didn't like the feel of it. So let's give the new one a go because I did have a sample of it. And it's the Benefit Boing. And this is the Industrial Strength Concealer in the shade number 2. In this little packet here, you are getting a total of 0.05 grams. So I know this will just be the right amount to apply underneath my eyes. And ooh, that's a little bit dark, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Now let's move on to some eye makeup. This here is the Makeup Forever, and this is the Aqua XL Color Paint, and this one here is in the shade M56. So I'm going to apply this brown shade to my lids. I was kind of hoping when I got the little samples that I was going to get this lighter shade in here, which looks like a beautiful, almost like kind of a rosy gold, but they do have quite a few of them on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little tiny bit and I am going to apply it to my finger. And there we go. I have a feeling that's going to be a little bit too much product, but I'm going to just kind of dab it. And I'm just going to apply this to my lid, and then I'm just going to softly blend it out. I really liked how well that applied to my eye, and I love how it blended out so smooth. Like, this blended out so nice. One thing that I don't like about, say, cream eyeshadow products or even gel eyeshadow products is that they don't blend out nice, and like I'm really blinking my eye a lot and it's not even creasing, it's staying super smooth. Like, this is so soft. I'm super impressed with this product. Next up, what I'm going to be using for my eyeliner, this has been one of my holy grail of holy grail eyeliners. I used to use it all the time. I absolutely love it. And then I noticed that Sephora would always have it like in their 100-point perks or in their like little goodie bags. When you say spend like, I think it's $35 or more, you get actual goodie bag. And I noticed that they would always put this product in there and they'd always have it on the 100-point perks. And this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. One of the best eyeliners out there. I absolutely love this stuff, and I could definitely see why they always put it in the little goodie bags or on the 100-point perks, because it's such a popular eyeliner. Now next, to finish off my eye look, I really felt like I had to go a little tiny bit heavy with the liner because I'm not going to be using any fake lashes because you don't get no sample size lashes. So this here is by Benefit, and it's the Benefit Bad Gal. And it's Bigger, Badder Voluming Mascara. Here it is right here. I love the packaging, really cute packaging. So it says before and after, bang, 90% saw drama volume. Interesting. Let's see how well this mascara works. Yeah, I could totally see a difference. It applied really nice. I really like the wand, how it's shaped, and it just glides on your lashes really nice as well. Now for my lips, I am going to go in with this little tiny mini sample size of the Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, and you're getting a total of 0.03 ounces in this little tiny sample size lipstick, which, to be quite honest, I think is enough for a lipstick, because really, how often do you go through a full entire lipstick? Unless it's like your holy grail lipstick, one of your favorites, you know you're going to finish it. But I really love little mini lipsticks. Now to add some color to my cheeks, I am going to go in with this little tiny cute little tiny mini here, and it's the Benetint. And here you're getting a total of 0.08 fluid ounces. So I'm just going to apply it a little bit to my cheeks. So there we go. It gave a really nice, like, glowy, rosy tint, which I don't mind. They also say that it could be used like as a lip stain as well, but I kind of like it for the cheeks. Very nice and naturally and glowy. So there you go. There is a full face of makeup using only samples. I have to say that I'm really impressed with how it turned out. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, because I have a lot of skincare sample products as well, and it'd be really neat to put them to the test to see how they work, to see how they feel on the face. But I'm really happy with this makeup look that I did with all the samples. Let me know, do you guys collect samples? Is there certain like 100-point perks that you've got in the past from Sephora that you were super excited about, and that when you see them again online that you stock up on them? Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!